Welcome to Forensics Detectors, a world first. I'm happy to present OZONE Data Logger. It's a sophisticated ozone analyzer with data logging capabilities. You can make it data log every 2 seconds, every 5 seconds, every 20 seconds, depending on what you set the logging rate at. It will store the data of ozone concentration in the internal memory so you could download it at a later time. Folks, it has 0.5 GB of internal memory. It can store up to 1 million data points with timestamp, so you could download the CSV file to your computer, to your PC, to your Apple, to your Mac, etc. And you can then graph the changes of ozone for your experiment, in universities for your publication, in industry for your process control, for scientists to check a reaction or to see if something is generating or decaying in ozone. Folks, this is the first ozone data logger on the market from Forensics Detectors. We're proud. And oh, by the way, look at this. Look, that's why I'm holding it there for so long, because I love this color display. 3.5-inch high definition color LCD display. There's the side profile, there's a back profile, it even has a clip you can mount it, you could take it off, put a magnet, or do what you like, and there's the bottom. At the top, we have the barb where we can connect a tube for probing. It's a beautiful unit. Dr. Kaz, let's give it a little demonstration. Now, what I recommend, folks, so you could probably see on the listing there, we have a bump tester. It's an ozone bump tester. You could smell the ozone. It generates a small amount of ozone. Let's turn on the pump on the unit. And basically what happens, the unit has a built-in pump. It's drawing the air from the top. And what I'm going to do is just give it a little emission of ozone. And you could see the numbers going up. I'll take that off. And you could see the numbers going down very slowly. Now, that's a high concentration of ozone. It's very high. It's just exceeded the 20 parts per million, and it exceeded the set point alarm thresholds, folks. It exceeded them. That's why we're getting the alarms. Now, if you don't want the alarms, not a problem. Just set them maximum so they are disabled. But you get the feel of the sensitivity, of the responsivity of the unit going up and coming back down. It's a beautiful, beautiful unit. Dr. Kaz, what does it come with? What does the package come with? Let me just pop this on the side. Let's turn off the pump so there's less background noise. Let's just close the pump right there. Now, what do you get? You get your Pelican waterproof case. It's a Pelican style case. Let's pop that over there. It comes with your 4-foot telescopic probe, 4-point sampling, 4 indoor air quality assessment. Now, I do recommend ozone is a special gas, folks. You should see my other videos talking about ozone measurements. Now, keep your tubing as small and short as possible, okay, folks? Why? Because ozone decays as it goes through the tubing, as it goes through the probe. It's decaying in real time. Real time, folks, especially the low-level ozone. It decays. You may have ozone there, 1 ppm. By the time it gets to the sensor, it's 0 parts per million. So keep everything as short as possible. And I actually insist, and I highly recommend, do not use a probe for ozone. In fact, do not use a probe for ozone. Try just using the analyzer. So the source is right here and get straight to the sensor. So you get the actual ozone from the source to the sensor. Very, very important. And that's only for ozone. There's other gases such as chlorine dioxide that are unstable that I also recommend that for. Now, what else do you get, Dr. Kaz? You're digressing. Okay, USB charger. You get your USB cable. It's a USB Type-C, so you could plug it up to any computer, and then the unit comes up as a hard drive. Download a CSV file, and that's it. Quite simple. Then pop your CSV file into any graph software, Excel or data plotter, and you're good to go. You also get your color manual with the OZONE Data Logger. Very, very nice instructions, A, B, C, D, very nice indeed. And you get your certification, your calibration certificate to NIST traceable sources. Now, ozone, folks, ozone, it doesn't come in a bottle. There's no such thing. Let me repeat this. There's no such thing as an ozone bottle and I'm gonna calibrate it. No. In fact, not many people can calibrate ozone. Only a few labs and locations in the United States can actually calibrate ozone because you need special equipment. You need to certify it to these sources. It's an unstable gas, so you have to generate it. You need the generator. You need an analyzer to calibrate it. You need the calibrator. Folks, it's a big story to develop a ozone calibration laboratory. That's exactly what we have here at Forensics Detectors in our Los Angeles laboratory, which is just over here. We have that facility. We had trained staff to calibrate the ozone analyzers. Very, very, very important. And we do that, and you're assured of accuracy with your USA NIST traceable certificate. Now, look, folks, the unit comes with a 1-year warranty, so you don't have to worry, and 30-day money-back guarantee, so you're good to go. Everything is hunky-dory. Look, folks, be well, be safe, and see you soon.